Hello from beautiful Golden Bay here on the top of the South Island in New Zealand. Just over there is Farewell Spit, which is the northernmost part of the South Island on the west coast. And I'm here because tomorrow I'm playing in the Village Theatre in Takaka, which is not too far from here, about 45 minutes away. And I'm really looking forward to the concert. It's my first concert in the South Island as part of my Celtic Guitar Journey tour. And I continue on then to Reefton and Hokitika and Castle Hill after that on Friday, Saturday and Sunday night. And yeah, so just thought I'd show you some of the area I'm in at the moment. And after this I'll show you a video from my last concert in Rock Retreat in Waitomo Caves, which was a wonderful concert at the Stubbs family farm. So thanks for tuning in and see you next time.